Today's topic is sentence pattern. Now, what is this sentence? Sentence pattern has the following components: subject, verb, object, complement, adjective. So, all these five they are they are the components of subject sentence pattern. Now, what is a subject? A person or thing that is described or discussed. Discussed. It can be in the form of a single word or group of words. Subject placed at the beginning of the sentence. See, example Raja plays football. Now, you ask the question who. See, ask the question who. Who plays football? Here, Raja plays football. Meena wrote her exam well. Who wrote her exam well? Meena. So, the answer is Meena. So, to find out the subject, you ask the question who. Okay, who. Next is verb. Verb points out action or state, usually placed after the subject. Examples you have given: he works hard, Rose is beautiful. Now, works is action and is a state. Then, object, person or thing affected by the action of the verb. See, example, he killed his enemies. I kicked the ball. Now, to find out the object, how will you find out the object? Ask questions like what, whom. We like ice cream. What do you like? We like ice creams. Whom? We love John. Whom do you love? We love John. So, you have to ask a question for objects. To find out the object, ask questions like what and whom. Then my uncle gave me a gift. Here my uncle is subject, gave is verb, me IO, gift is DO. What is IO? Indirect object. DO is direct object. So we have to ask the question, who gave me? My uncle gave me a gift. So what direct object you have to ask, what did he give? To whom did he give? To me. Okay. So indirect objects you will have me, us, you, him, her, them. Next is complement. Complement describes the subject. It is used after the verbs am, is, or, was, and were. Especially it is adjectives. They also occur after intransitive verbs. See, example, she became a nurse. Nurse is a complement. They feel tired. Tired is complement. It grew darker. It grew dark. Dark is complement. So, now there are intransitive verbs like become, feel, remain, seem, appear, sound, taste, small, grow, be. Okay, so I have given you example here. It grew dark. That is the example. Okay, for intransitive verb. Now there are two complements: subject complement and object complement. Subject complement describes the subject. Object complement describes the object. For example, for subject complement, she is clever. She is clever. It describes subject, she here. Here object complement, we painted the house white. See, the house is object and white is complement. So here house, it is object complement. Then the last one is adjunct. Now adjunct, these are adverbs or adverbial phrases. They may occur anywhere in the sentence. These may be one or more than one adjunct. So in a sentence you can have one or more than one adjunct. See, you have to ask question, When, where, how to find out the adjunct. Always ask when, where, and how. See, example I have given. The boys play in the ground. Where do the boys play? The ground. Last month she bought a new dress. When did she buy? Last month. So you have to ask questions like when, where, how to find out the adjunct. So in the next class I'll give you exercise. Thank you.